guys, Cindy here. Just another day doing nails. I haven't recorded in a couple of weeks, but I have been doing my nails. My nails are doing a whole lot better since I started using press-ons instead of regular nails. And I was wanting to show you some new nails I got. I picked these off of Amazon. We will pull one out and look at it. These remind me, the shape and everything of, this says size 7. I don't use a 7, so I can just pull them out. If I lose them, no big deal. Of the, is it Model 1? I think the Model 1. It reminds me of the shape of the Model 1. It's a really nice shape. They're kind of long. I would call them long. This is what I did. And the polish I used on this, I used some dollar LA colors. And then I used some of the, that clean for a couple of nails. See, these two thumbs. My goal was sort of a neutral ombre for the fall. And then I put some fulls on a couple of ones I didn't really like real well. I like this color here real well. I think it's real pretty. It just sort of didn't go jive with the theme of it. I didn't like this color. This is the LA color, but it's okay. So we went from white to dark brown. And let's show you the nails. Let me find them. Previous orders, your orders. Okay. These were... Can you see this? See if the light's not too bright. Anyway, it says AGUTIUN 500 pieces Coffin half nails. Now I used them as full nails. They say they're half nails. And I paid, let's see if it says what, $6.99. And it said 500 pieces. I would call these a ballerina, but they're calling them coffin. So, and they say they're acrylic. They're real heavy, and they have a really good feel to them. I know I tell you to have the shape of the Model 1, but those Model 1s broke on me because I was had some on a couple weeks ago that I did, and then I was working on some short nails for in the week, and I had a little fan, and I turned it, and it snapped the thing. So these, let me see the Model 1. Oh. So these are the Model 1s. And these were only, I don't think there was 500. I don't think, it's a lot smaller bag. Well, it's the same size bag, but it's not as full. And I've only used a couple of these. There might be 500 in here. I don't know. I don't think so, but there might be. What does it say? It doesn't say how many. And they are made in China. These say on the tag, these say Coffin, it gives 500 pieces, Coffin Nails, half cover. I think that says bridal, but some of the characters are missing. Acrylic nails, half natural. So I think I like these better than the Model 1. Now, I don't know if they had white in these or not. I'll look real quick. I mean, not white, clear. Let me look real quick if that was an option. Okay. This was natural, and they did have a clear. So the clear might be just like the others, and they both said $6.99, so that was a good price. I don't know how much the Model 1 was. I can't remember. We'll look it up in a second, maybe. And the next set of nails I got was, and what else? I picked up these foils off Wish, and this is the little foil that I used on it. I can't remember what I paid. $1 or whatever, and then you had to pay postage. And I had them sent to a little local store and went and picked them up, so it was a little bit cheaper on postage, but it didn't come any quicker. The next set of nails I got was I just love nails. I love different nails and shapes and everything. So, and I've got some more nails that I hadn't showed you too. I bought some edge nails, but I want to wait till I actually use them. I'm kind of scared to use them because they're just tips. They're not full nails. Now these remind me of the like 1, 2, 3 Go and some of the other nails that you've seen. And I'm going to work on these. We got to put some foil on real quick. I might have you guys do that with me. So that's what these are. And I do use a 3. I use a 3 on my little finger. So, and I got some Empress nails too. Some curved nails. They turn a lot bigger than I expected. So I'm going to wait till I actually use them and then I'll do a video. Okay. So, and these are just, they're plastic. And I will show you on eBay where I got them. I got these on the same order. So these do not, they feel, we'll just see how they hold up. But they have a nice shape to them. Just like the 1, 2, 3 Go Coffin. And they feel stiff. And they're obviously just plastic. And this says, I think this is 600 pieces. It says nail tips. This is what they came. Or something. I don't know. 600 pieces. And then it's got some dots. DIY manicure clear. And so I'll look that up. And I think I didn't pay hardly anything for these either. And they got good reviews. Like a lot of people said that, you know, they typically don't buy cheap nails. So, okay, let's back. Okay, that was these. This was back. Let's go back to orders. Okay. This was the picture. And these were nail tips, and it's like NIUTA, 600 pieces. Let's see what the price was. These were $5.99. So, I don't wear nails more than a few days. I don't like to wear the same nails. So, I don't have to have gel. I like the gel and everything. It makes me feel all fancy and everything. But as far as longevity, is it going to last? I generally pull them off. Now, that Model 1 now, that snuffed on me on Sunday night, and I didn't feel like messing with it, and I had to anyway. So, I didn't like that. Probably put gel on top of them or acrylic on top of them, they're fine. But I don't like putting all the chemicals on my fingers because they make my fingers hurt. And some of the people I told you in the other video, at the end, I only tell the people that stay through the end. I do have, Scleroderma. I found out I've got that, which I'm not surprised. There's been signs for years. But I don't know all the details yet. I'll have to get back to the dermatologist and get to see a rheumatologist, and we'll see. Okay, so what else? That's all on these nails. I do have some more nails, but I'm going to wait till we do them to do a video. And so far, I'm liking them. I've had a problem with this nail here because it was sticky, and I put top coat on in it and went and brought any groceries, and it's still sticky. So I probably, rubbed it, and so probably some of the pictures off. And all the pretty color right here, that's going to get chopped off before Monday. And anyway, so let's get going. I'm fixing these. This is some more foil. I got a little package of foil at Wish, and this came from that. And so I've already painted these nails, and I've got 2 of them, and I hope I can remember which 2 have glue on them because I did it before I went to go get the groceries, and then I came back. I think it's these 2 fingers, but we'll see. If they don't stick, it's because they don't stick. Let's see. Can you see? And I'd use some, I'm typically not a black nail wearer, but I thought, well, since I was putting foil, it was okay. And then on the pinky, I just did an accent color. This is a LA Colors. These black are that clean brand. Oh, let's see if I have it. It's supposed to be metallic. I don't know if it is. Let's see. Pull this out. It was this. And, yeah. Anyway, you be the judge. This is how they turned out with 2 coats. And then I put 1 coat of an LA Colors blue on top of that. That's this. And this was like $1. I need to go back to Dollar Tree. I do need to go anyway to get some little hooks so that I can do more than 1 set of nails at a time. Okay, so let's see how this looks. Isn't this pretty? I can't remember what I paid for this. It was probably it wasn't an add-on. Whatever it was, I paid it and then I paid the tax. It was just that foil. I might look it up in a second. But let's see if we can get this on. Okay, so... Alrighty. One of these days I'll show you my real nails again. Typically I like to do several sets of nails on the weekend, and that way I'll have them through the week, except I can't wear these because they're too long to wear to work. But if I like these, I might do a little short set out of the, is it Marquette? I got some little Marquette nails. I turned out I really did like them. I wore them, someone sent me a message. I posted my nails and someone said they were pretty or gorgeous, so that's nice. Anyway, I'm rattling, I'm sorry. What was I saying? And they lasted all week. I think I might have done them Monday night. I felt guilty changing my nails so soon, but I just was not happy. I bought some Kiss curve nails and used those, and I just, anyway, I wasn't, and I had to cut them down. I didn't, they was kind of crooked and all that other good stuff. Now this one, I'm kind of having a little bit of problems with these. I don't know. This may be a mistake. Okay, let's see if we can get it to come off. But we got black underneath it, so it won't, hopefully, it will kind of blend in. And this is that non-cooking or non-lamp glue. No, transfer full glue. Okay. Let's see how this works for us. I don't know. Well, it looks okay. Okay, so which is the next one that I did? Let's see. Okay, that one, I did that one. I think I only did 2 nails for the foil. Now this one here is going to be, you know, things just work so much better if you have the right tools. I'm liking these, but I probably will do me a little short set so that I can put them on at work too. And like I said, I feel uncomfortable wearing black nails, just black nails. But since this is just going to be her accent and then it's for the colors and the print, I would be okay with that. And hey, to each his own. I'm not criticizing other people for wearing black nails. I'm just saying it's kind of anything too dark. Like these brown, I don't feel so bad wearing the brown, but anything too dark, I don't get used to. But I am really enjoying these press-on nails. Like I showed you in my last video, I used those little adhesive tabs, and I kind of helped it out with some super glue, and it's just working really good. A whole lot better than to try to use polygel or gel. I never even tried acrylic. We'll forget that. I'm not that skilled. And when you only do it on yourself, you know, it's hard to ever actually get good, you know, especially, you know, if you're going to be wearing them for a long time. Okay. That's the way that one did. So, do the next one. Let's, okay. This one's not kind of see-through, so it's kind of hard to do. But anyway, so my natural nails are doing much, much better. My 2-pointer nails, they're still kind of short, and I have some lifting on this one, and I'm hoping it'll clear. You know, I'm hoping it's growing out. Looking at it, you know, just twice a week, it's hard to see. But the pinky nail, that grew all the way up, so I'm satisfied this one's got to grow up too and be just fine. And I did go to the nail salon and just had a plain manicure with clear polish on it so she could clean them up last week. And then she did use a little bit of drill and just to try to get the stuff off. Now this came off easy. And this, like I said, this was that no lamp kind of transfer glue, so it's turning out good. So let's do this one. This one here is just going to be no extra colors because I don't want to waste them. I don't want to, because that's all I got for this sheet. It had probably about a few sheets with it, like 4 or 5 sheets, maybe more, not many more. But every sheet's kind of short. And they sent it all by itself. That must have been the only thing I bought in that order. I bought some nails and stuff from AliExpress. And they think they take longer to come in than wish, to be honest. But these are supposedly, they're Gel-X nails. I know they're probably knockoff, but they have the little heart in them. And I bought 2 sets of that. Because I bought 1 set and I thought, boy, that price is just too low. And I thought maybe it was only like 1 sheet of it. So I bought another set, but nothing has shown up. And they've been ordered a long time. Let's see. Alrighty, so that's this one. So that's all this. When I get off the camera, I'm going to top coat these and let them set for a while. And I might start me another little short set so that I can wear them this week. So hope you like those. And y'all have a great week. And I'll try to be a little bit better about videoing. You know, it's just if I use my iPad, I have to haul everything out and it's not a clear, not my iPad, my old MacBook. It's not a clear picture, it's an old and everything, but if I use this little thing, it works out a little bit better, but it's kind of, I don't feel like I can set as much. I do have an iPhone. I tried to record one day with that, you know, like down, and it didn't work out real well. So I've just got to get a good technique going. So I will see y'all later, and everyone have a great day and a great week. And God bless you all. Bye-bye.